Most Audi drivers think they already know their car. They use navigation, Bluetooth, and maybe adaptive cruise control. But what if I told you that your Audi is hiding dozens of powerful features behind menus, screens, and settings you've probably never touched? Features that improve safety, comfort, night driving, long trips, and even reduce stress without installing anything new. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through Audi's latest generation digital screens and systems, explaining what each panel does, how to activate it, when to use it, and what most drivers misunderstand. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you bonus tips that even many Audi owners and dealers don't explain. If you enjoy discovering hidden car technology explained clearly, make sure to subscribe. This channel breaks down modern vehicles feature by feature, so you actually understand how to use what you already own. Let's start with the Audi Virtual Cockpit, the digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. Most drivers leave it in the default layout forever. That's a mistake. Using the view button on the steering wheel, you can switch between classic driving layout, navigation-focused layout, minimum information mode, sport-oriented display, highway driving, prioritized navigation, and adaptive cruise info, city driving, simplified layout, reduces distractions. Sport driving, tachometer, and performance data become central. Many drivers think these layouts change automatically. They don't. You must manually switch them. And once you do, the cockpit becomes a real driving tool, not just a screen. If your Audi has a head-up display, you might be underusing it. It projects speed navigation arrows, speed limits, driver assistance alerts directly onto the windshield. Night driving, heavy traffic, long highway trips. Many drivers turn off choose extra information, thinking it's distracting. In reality, removing navigation or speed limit alerts reduces reaction time. Properly configured, the HUD reduces eye movement, which increases safety. Now let's move to the MMI infotainment system. This is where Audi hides the most powerful features. Audi uses context-sensitive menus. Some options appear only while driving, others only when systems are active. Some disappear if the car is stationary. This is intentional to avoid overwhelming new driving. Key areas to explore: vehicle, driver assistance vehicle, lighting and visibility vehicle, drive select vehicle, systems and warnings. Dealers rarely explain these menus in detail because it takes time. Settings vary by model. Most buyers never ask, but once you understand them, your Audi feels like a different car. Audi's lighting systems are among the most advanced in the industry. These systems automatically shape the light beam, avoid blinding other drivers, improve road visibility in curves. Drivers assume lights work automatically at full capacity, but many features must be enabled inside the MMI, especially region-specific options. Once activated correctly, night driving becomes less tiring and far safer. Let's talk about adaptive cruise control, lane assist, traffic jam assist, emergency braking system. These systems assist you with your replacement. They adapt based on speed, road type, weather, camera visibility. Drivers think the system failed when it deactivates. In reality, it's protecting itself when conditions aren't ideal. Understanding when and why systems activate builds trust and safer driving habits. Not every warning means something is broken. Examples: system temporarily unavailable, camera visibility reduced, assist limited. These often relate to rainfall, direct sunlight, dirty sensors. Knowing this prevents panic, unnecessary service visits, misuse of safety systems. Here are 3 bonus Audi tricks most owners never discover. Your Audi can remember. Seat position, climate preferences, driving mode, linked to each key. Long press certain climate icons to access advanced airflow controls. In auto mode, the car adapts based on your driving style over time. Your Audi is not just a car, it's a rolling computer designed to adapt to you. Once you understand what each screen does, when features activate, how systems communicate, you stop driving around technology and start driving with it.